Alright guys, so I've been waiting in line for about 2 hours now. I'm finally at the front, man. At the front of the line. And this is what's going on, man. This truck is dirty. Check this out, man. I've been rolling in snow. It's dirty. Got salt everywhere. Yeah, so we gotta get this clean, man. I'm about to go home and park up for the weekend. Today is Saturday. And I'll probably get back on the road on Monday, but I can't leave my truck parked up like this, man. This is the last thing you want to do. Is, leave your truck parked up with all the salt and stuff on there. So we about to get it right. I wish it was a little warmer outside, because I would polish my wheels tomorrow. It's been a few months since I last polished them. Yeah, man, but it's dirty. Truck is dirty, trailer is dirty. I just came from the Northeast yesterday. I was up in Jersey. Well, I started my day in Jersey. I picked up a load in New York on Thursday, and I shut it down in Jersey last night. And it started snowing as soon as I drove out. And by the time I got down into Maryland, I kind of hit some heavy snow. So it's dirty, guys. It is filthy. And we're gonna get it right. We're gonna get it clean. I told him I'm about to put him on YouTube, so make this the best wash of the day. Alright guys, so it looks like they're ready for me. Now we're gonna start this off right, man. I'm gonna bless them before they even start washing the truck. And that should set the tone. You know what I don't like about coming in these wash bays though? They just did a trailer washout. And sometimes when you wash out the trailer, you have nails in the back of the trailer, especially in these reefer trailers. So hopefully I didn't just run over a nail right now. So let's shut it down, man. They're gonna do a motor wash, trailer washout. We're basically washing everything, man. I gotta get this truck clean. It's been sitting around dirty for a couple weeks now. All right, man, we gonna set this off right, man. Do your thing, bro.
Yes, sir.
All right. What's up, man? You don't mind being on YouTube, do you?
I don't care.
No.
What's your YouTube name?
I'll give it to you right now. Marvelous Marv 379.
I think I've seen you.
Probably.
TikTok too?
Oh yeah.
Oh.
I think I've seen it. I think I've seen it. I ain't gonna lie.
Don't worry, I get it everywhere I go, man. But that's my channel, man. Yeah, that's my channel right there. What's up, bro? She's getting there. She's getting that old shine back. Looking like a totally different truck already, man. Yeah, my next project is to get a deck plate and I'll cover this up right here. I was gonna wait until I paint the truck, but I can't wait no more, so we're gonna cover that up, man. What's your name, bro? Austin. All right. My man Austin over there. Say what up to YouTube, man.
Hey, how y'all doing?
That's how we do it, man. We show love wherever we go, you know? See what's going on this side over here. I haven't washed it in a while, but that kitty cat is still looking clean though. That's one thing, man. My motor stay clean. Yeah, she's getting there. You don't mind being on YouTube, right?
What?
You don't mind being on YouTube, right?
Nah, man.
No? Alright. Back to life. This was much needed, guys. So my next project in a couple weeks, whenever it's not too cold outside, I'm going to light up the trailer. We're going to run some lights alongside the trailer, upper and lower. I'm going to put 9 lights going down the sides of the trailer. 9 at the top, 9 at the bottom, same thing on the next side. And I'm gonna add 2 more lights on each side up top, so there's gonna be 9 going across up top. And also I'm gonna have 9 in the front above the reefer unit. So that's a project for a day when it's not too cold outside. We're gonna get on it, man. Alright guys, so I wanted to do a little more recording, but unfortunately the general manager shut it down, man. They said no recording in the bay, so it's their policy. Just gotta respect it, you know. So that's the trick to a good wash, man. You gotta give them a tip before they get started. A little motivation. Alright, well, let's see how they did. Let's check it out. Grab my flashlight. She's clean. Yes, sir. How we looking, guys? Is she clean? Talk to me. Looking much better. Man, a clean truck makes a world of a difference, man. It looks like a completely different truck. It's 24 degrees outside, but it feels like 15. Here's the difference maker right here. You gotta wipe this down, man. Yeah, we gotta climb up top, man. Sounds good up here, though. That's why you gotta eat healthy on the road, guys. If you don't eat healthy, you can't get up here to do this stuff. Yeah, this stuff is actually starting to freeze up, man. That's how cold it is right now. But if I leave it like this, I'm gonna be very unhappy on Monday when I get back to the truck. Almost looks as if you never washed it. So you always gotta dry this stuff off, man. But this is freezing up right now, guys. See this? It's ice. That's how cold it is outside right now. Look at that. That's a paper towel right there, freezing up. So I'm just doing the best I can right now. And I bought 2 packs of rags, but I left them home. So I just gotta use some paper towel. Man, see that, guys? It's freezing up, man. It's too cold. Yeah, my fingers are freezing right now. Whew. I was gonna get up there and wipe the windshield down, but I'm just gonna let the wind take care of that while I'm going down the road. Yeah, this is all ice, guys. It's crazy. It's freezing up that quick. That's quick as freezing up, man. It's cold out here. Oh, it's gonna have to do for now. I didn't want to use this rag because it's dirty. I got 2 packs at home, but yeah, this paper towel's not cutting it right now. Time for a nice polish again. One of these days when it gets warm, I'm gonna polish my wheels. Ice right there. See that? Ice. Cold out here. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna have to shut it down, man. It's too cold. My fingers are freezing. I know I already checked it, but let me just double check, make sure my door is closed properly. Yeah, we're good. Clean truck, man. Alright guys, so this is just a quick wash day video. Give this video a thumbs up, drop me a comment in the comment section. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys on the next one, alright? Peace out.